Morning world. Today I'm gonna show you a couple of things that I bought recently from a local store called Driven, which is pretty cool, and I'm gonna be installing one of them. But before I get to that, check out this box. It does say on the side here FD2 clutch pedal, and this is one that will probably help with the squeaking noise once that's changed out. Just to show you. Oh, look at that! Gotta love new car parts, right? So there's that. But importantly, today there's this that I want to pretty much change out, and it is the handbrake cover. You've seen in one of the previous episodes that I actually bought the wrong handbrake cover off of a China website, and that was for the wrong hand drive side of the car. But this one right here, proper Honda parts, so let's get into fixing it up. Okay, so hopping into the car. Before we begin, I think what you know already is that my handbrake cover is screwed up, it's broken already. So I actually have this sparkle cover here to prevent that from popping out every single time. Let me just show you the replacement part here. So just in case you want to know, it is 47125-SNA-J82ZC. Now this one is the Type R's handbrake cover, and I'm just gonna open that to show you what it looks like as well. There we go. Ooh, gotta love these new parts as well. Yeah, and check it out. Just want to show you what the problem was with this one. Is if I take out my sparkle handbrake, this cover thing, of course, better keep my foot on the brakes. So it looks okay, like you know, but this thing over here, look at that, it's loose and it pops off. My gosh, look at that. And that is because if you take a look on the left side of this over here, this little plastic piece has broken off already. That caused the thing to pretty much pop out. Look at that. I can have that locked in here for a while, but on the other side, if I were to flip the camera around, there we go, you can see, oh no, and it pops out. So I mean, this is a very good thief deterrent, of course, because I can just leave the car and pull out this part, and no one can disengage the handbrake already. But today we are looking to fix that. Okay, just tearing into this piece here. Let's show you what it comes with on the inside. We have, of course, I think the main parts over here is you can actually change the whole assembly at the bottom as well. But I'm gonna need to be removing this. Hang on, let me just show you, like this whole piece here, if I need to do that, and I don't think I'll do that today. But what I'll do is to probably just keep that piece handy just in case, because I think the main thing is to replace this whole piece, and I'm gonna replace this rubber part at the bottom as well. So that should be that. So probably won't be needing to use this piece over here, but gonna just keep that handy as well in any case. We do have like the handbrake plastic cover side of things here. I really do hope nothing goes wrong when I install this whole thing. My god, this is packed in really tightly. There we go. Just tear that piece apart, and there it is. That's the new piece, of course. Wow, it looks very different from the old one already, because this one feels so much newer, of course. And there we go. And then this piece here, of course, would actually just fit on top of this piece, like that. Voila. There's actually a notch over here, which I think, oh, you can't see that. There's actually a notch over here as well, which I think would be pressed down. And this piece, of course, goes in here later on, once we pretty much fit everything together. Aha! Okay, wouldn't want to snap that on the first try, of course. And this is the new rubber piece. Ooh, it looks much nicer, of course. On the inside, there's Honda TPU-R1. Very nice. And yeah, let me just show you guys the installation now. Okay, so again, this is the piece in question, and I've got the two new, of course, the pieces here. You can look at the difference though. One after 10 years plus of use, and this new one. This one has more of like a matte look to it. I don't know if after a long use it's going to look the same or not, but just glad that that I've managed to get it. Now for the normal Civic ones, like the normal FD1s, FD2s, I think, the handbrake, this portion is actually, I think, grey. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what I've seen so far. And there we go. Technically, we could still reuse this piece if we need to, but it just looks a little bit out of place. But so yeah, I don't think I'll be using that anyways. But for this one, like I told you earlier, this rubber piece here, that this is the replacement for. I'm just gonna easily pop that out by doing this. And the other part that I was talking to you about earlier is this piece over here, which will be nice to change, but I don't think I probably have to yank out this whole panel here first to actually get to that. I don't think I will be doing that today, so let's take the new piece. Let's see if we can see a difference. Oh my god, there we go, in the old piece and the new one. Oh, but this is interesting. Let me just bring the camera closer so you can check it out. Now the old one is on top and the new one's at the bottom. Look at the font, it looks a little bit different. The one on the top says Honda TPU-R2. Can you see that? And the one at the bottom says Honda TPU-R1. I just hope that they are the same and they fit together properly with no issues whatsoever. Hang on, let me just launch the camera properly over here, and they can see the whole handbrake assembly is over here. Slotting the new one in. There we go. Fits nicely, fits like a glove. Whoa. And that's brilliant there. And we've got our new piece over here. There we go. I've locked this piece down already. So what happens is you wanna, if you look at the top here, there's actually a slight groove. Can you see that? That over there, and that locks into this metal piece here. And of course the sides, they lock down over there as well. Now I'm gonna try and make sure I do this properly so that it does not snap off. There you go. We've locked that groove in already, and then, you know, I am so worried that this breaks. Oh, I hate those kind of noises, you know, when you're doing this kind of thing. Yeah. And then once that's locked down, I'm just gonna, there you go, push it in. It is firm already. And the next thing is to actually slot in this button thing over here. I think I've been checking out like how some other people do it on YouTube, and it has been taking, it does take a while to get it right. There we go. I've got it in. And look at that. It is now stable. I'm just gonna get my foot on the brakes again. Look at that. Oh, and it looks brilliant. Wow. Okay, I'm quite happy with this. And finally, I guess we have solved this. And yeah, so thank you for watching this episode. We have finally fixed up the broken handbrake lever thing, and now it's oh, it feels so good, right? I might just leave the sparkle thing on like that, you know, to make sure, but you know, at least, you know, it's finally fixed. And yeah, this is one step closer to getting the whole car back to proper unbroken stuff like that. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. As always, do remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks so much. Goodbye.